what? Girl, what you talking about? I'm grown out here.
No, for real, Jody.
What's good, guys? You go Pay from Pay TV, and today I'm back with the hair tutorial. As y'all can tell by the title, you know what tutorial. I was just so fucking ugly. But today I'm going to be doing a slick side ponytail. My hair is very thick and very much difficult to work with. I dislike it very much. My shit was nappy a little bit, just a little bit. But I blow dried it before this video. And yeah, but we just gonna see what's going on. So I parted my hair. That little white stuff, it ain't no lice, so don't be trying to say I got lice. That's definitely gel because I did my hair yesterday. And I don't want to wash it again because I just washed it when I took my braids out and it's kind of too soon. I'm kind of on a schedule when washing my hair, so it won't be that dry or anything. The front part is so broke off, like from my leave outs, getting weaves. It's so broke out, but it was worse than that before I got my braids. It's kind of growing back now, but I just have to work with it. And yeah, so right now I'm really just, I don't know, combing everything out, trying to get everything set. And yeah, so I used, that was a soft brush. Okay, I'm at my brother's house, so I had to work with what he got. He does hair also. But, that brush kind of soft. I was very irritated but I had to make it work. I usually use a hard brush, like a wave hard brush or something, or something like that. Something that's hard, that has a hard bristle. I don't really like using the soft brushes because my hair is too soft and I need something hard to control it. But I brush it and put it in like a ponytail so I could like gel it down. Cause the way my hair set up is hella thick and it's hella of it. So it'll really just be like everywhere and I'll have to like keep brushing it into like a ponytail and keep holding it. And instead of doing all that, I just do a little pre-ponytail and then I gel it down, then I'll take it out and all that good stuff. So I ain't gotta go through that much work. I look so stupid. That front part is just terrible. I can't wait for my hair to grow back. I look bald-headed. I use Eco Styler. It's almost gone. But that's probably the only Eco Styler I use on my hair. I'll probably use the glitter one, but it really doesn't hold how it should. Some people say, like, Eco Styler doesn't work for the hair. It is not for all hair types. I got, white people hair, so, my hair is really different. It's real soft and all that. So it works for my hair. Edge control does not work for my hair. But as you can see in the video, I'm just brushing it. As I said, I pre-do the ponytail so I don't have to keep holding, y'all know how y'all be holding the ponytail and trying to brush at the same time. I don't got time for all that because who finna do it? Who? Not me. Not I. Not Soraya. But I'm just applying gel to it. Trying to get it down. It's slick. Period. So I'm still gelling my hair. Period. And I'm about to brush it. Trying to get it slick. That swoop it be really irritating me because, like I said, the front part of my hair is kind of broke off. So, and I like for my swoops to, be, I don't know, even, but I be having to do so much. Y'all gonna see, because I be having to get a little brush, get the little comb, everything. It's so much, but take out my little edges that I don't have. I'm just bald-headed. People don't think I'm bald-headed, but I think I'm bald-headed. Because it's my hair, probably. I want to cut this shit off. Anyways, that's beside the point. So, still brushing, trying to get control of my arm is killing me, of course. That never fails. I'm back. My siblings was banging at the door like they crazy. But I'm really just trying to get my Swoop part right. I always have to make sure that, of all things, is laid down and stayed down. Because that should be irritating as hell when it be lifting and all of that. And I did my edges. Oh, my bad. I had did my edges, y'all. I did my edges. Them motherfuckers look terrible. As I'm seeing on this camera, I don't know what the fuck I was thinking, but yeah. Still trying to get this Swoop thing. That's my big brother Eric, period. Hey. And then I like to fluff out. When I'm wearing a ponytail, I like to comb it out so it could be poofy. It's a poofy ponytail. And yeah, that's all I'm doing in this video. I don't know why I do that so much. Then I be getting irritated and taking it out and everything, but I ain't have time for all that today. It's slick, as you can see. Very much so. Period. And I just get some more gel and I apply it. And then I don't know if I'm doing it, but I usually take like the little toothbrush and I take the little edge toothbrush and I just like brush it down because it tends to get more like slicker and less like, you know how it be bumpy, but only like with thick hair it's hella bumpy, like when wavy in the back when you have thick ass hair, because that's what my should be doing sometimes when it wants to cooperate. But yeah, I always take it out and like redo my ponytails if I feel like the little bump. There go Eric again. If I feel like the little bump like is in the back, y'all should know what I'm talking about. I always be taking my ponytails out and doing it over and over and over and over. However many times I feel like I need to do it, I will do it. And yeah, I'm just gonna brush it. Still trying to get this Swoop right. I think I was talking to my sister in the back. I want to let y'all hear the audio.
So I said 13 plus 7 is 23. Who the fuck say some shit like that? Yeah, so I wasn't one of those tolerant things, so. I was too. The hip hop hold down. Like, the kind, the Miley Cyrus movie, Billy Ray Jackson.
She's a whole comedian, as y'all can see. But I'm doing my edges, fixing my edges up. And yeah, that's it. And this is the finishing results. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back for more.
When you gonna realize you really had something good?